Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are new to this channel and you like wig tutorials and you like to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you soon. So today I'm reviewing Sensationnel's Empress lace wig, lace front edge, deep part hand-tied baby hair unit, and it's in the style Ella and the color 2. It's a natural deep part with 100% premium fiber, and it is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. And it does have a bunch of specialty colors. Here's the unit, and here is the specialty colors. And I got this unit on Wig Types for this price. And yes, okay. So there's a couple things with this unit. I do like it. This unit, the cap size is medium. It has 2 combs right here, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. And it was a little snug for me. I would say it's a medium cap size unless you want to play around and stretch it, but I did have to use one of the combs right here because it kept slipping back. Yeah, I did go in with some scissors to just cut it a little bit to shape my face, and I did use my blow jar just to lay this down just a tad, but I think I overdid it. I went through and picked out some of the curls. So this unit will tangle because of the curliness of the pattern, and it does shed. There was a lot of shedding that was happening from, here. There was a lot of shedding that was happening when I was running my fingers through, and I'm just going to say it's because of the curly haired unit. Also, this is like, a 3C textured hair unit, and I'm just loving it. It's so cute. It's super easy. All I did was cut the lace, put some of my foundation on here, and I went through, and that was pretty much it. It was definitely easy. And yeah, I think my main issue is that it's not going to last. We pay all this money for these units and they don't last. This is hair that I would wear to the pool with my girls. Possibly vacation, but yeah, it's a cute natural hairstyle. I will give you guys a 360. Yes. It does have a lot of thickness to it as well. I'm putting my fingers through, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of thickness to this hair, which is really, really nice. And sometimes companies try to cheat us because of the curls, but no, this is definitely a lot of thickness. It is ear to ear, but I turned my cap a little bit, so it's not fitting ear to ear on me, and it's a little bit longer over here. But yeah, I didn't want it to be too much of a deep part, so I did turn it a little bit closer to the middle, and it's comfortable in my head. So yes, If you like this unit, I have all the information to the website below. You guys are staying safe during this quarantine. My husband and I have been working out in the backyard, and we use our ArchFit cooling towels. We have a business online on Amazon. Make sure you guys check us out if you work out or if you have hot flashes. You know, you wet the towel, you wring it out, and then you shake it, and it keeps you cool during a hot, sweaty workout. And make sure you guys check me out in my next video, and I will see you next time.